good, everybody? It's me, Arthur from Performance Hunters. Happy Sunday morning. Today, right now, we are gonna be going to a little car meet here in San Diego, California. East Lake, 9 o'clock. I'm gonna be hopping into my taco man right here. Hey, let's go. I don't have a sporty car yet, but I do have this nice off-road beast that doesn't break down for like years. Anyways, yo, we're gonna link up with Zay right now, my fellow friend, and we are gonna go to that car meet together. We're gonna ball out in the little Euro 328i twin turbo. Catch y'all in a little bit. It's such a beautiful day today. I am outside my homie's apartment complexes and we're just waiting right now. It's been so hot lately in San Diego that this change of weather is just so great. Let me show you guys right here in a second. Look at this weather. There's beautiful clouds out here. Oh my god. It is so nice outside. The sun's gonna come out later today, but damn. It's been in the 80s, high 80s, around low 90s these past few weeks, and it's just made life real hard. But the weather's starting to come back to normal. It's almost fall. Actually, it should be fall, I think. I'm not sure. Correct me in the comments below. Yeah, look at all that. Such a beautiful day. Awesome day for a nice little car meet. So it's Zay Baz here with a bigger camera and thinks he's all that.
You gotta start somewhere, you know.
Thinks he's all that because it's bigger. I think he's a bigot. Oh shit, I gotta edit that out now. Fuck. I can't be cursing, bro. I can't be cursing. I'm gonna get demonetized. So this guy claims to be getting an i8, but right now he's got that little demon Beamer. I almost said Benz. Turn on those lights. Turn on those lights. Damn, look at those. Look at those. What year is this car again?
2018.
2018 Beamer, my ass. Sheesh. Hit it again. Hit it again. Hit it again. Go. Rev it, rev it, rev it. Yeah. Got that Demon 328i, resonator delete and everything. You know what I mean? Alright, so I currently owe this man a little frappuccino, a venti frap.
You know, and
He said
I heard panini.
And a panini apparently. Even though he's allergic to yeast. That's like bread in the panini.
Alright, fine, buy me egg whites.
I'll buy him egg whites. From Starbucks, really?
Yeah, dog.
Starbucks sells egg whites?
Yeah.
Hey, link in the bio below.
What?
Starbucks egg whites. It's like gas station sushi. So our boy has a little flat, low PSI.
I'd rather go to the gas station, even though I have one in my car that auto pumps it.
Really?
Yeah.
They have that?
Yeah, it's like
Dude,
a portable air.
That's fucking sick.
You connect it as if you're gonna like charge your phone. It's like you put in a cigarette lighter and then it'll pump the air up to 100 PSI.
There you go. There you have it, folks. Yeah, bro, the gym be breaking us out a bit. I got some on my chin, you got some on your face. Oh, hey, look at that Mustang over there. Oh, I can't flip the camera right now. Bro, there's always this big pothole right there on that left side, man. Like,
I think I should fast yesterday.
For real? Your alignment. Low tire. Stop carefully. This guy was doing 80. He was just doing 80.
He ain't stopping, bro.
And he slams the brakes. Like, is this some sort of joke? Yeah, mister, look at the line for Starbucks.
Why are they looking at me for?
This would have been the first time I would have ordered a caramel macchiato. I'm still gonna order it. Stop, you gotta make me edit out all the fucks with quacks, and that's so annoying.
Arthur today, right?
Yeah, it's on me today. I'm buying you your fraps and stuff.
Who's wasting the gas though, huh, boy?
This guy's wasting the gas. He already revved up his car.
You, girl. Damn, you're looking fine today. I see you.
What are you looking at?
Talking to the people.
But look at that line. It goes. I mean,
yeah, we got like literally. I don't even know what to talk about. We're here in this long line. I really don't know where.
Alright, so this man really just made me spend $20 on
18,
Starbucks.
Guy.
I round up when it comes to spending money. I always round up.
It wasn't 19 something. That shit was 18 something.
Alright, that shit was 18 something.
If anything, it was 19 total dollars. All right.
Mister. You're supposed to round up after 5, so that'd be 15.
No, fool, that shit was like 18.60.
If it's 16, it's technically 20 because you're rounding up.
It's a whole whopping 4.
Yeah, bro.
No, G.
That's how poor people think, you know what I mean?
Good morning, hello. Hi, it's your mom. You know your mom?
Yeah, I know my mom.
You know your mom? This is your mom.
Oh, really?
Can you pick up Paula's at church? I'm doing homework right now.
I'm busy right now. I'm working. Not going until 12 o'clock.
You're going at 12. Can you pick up the syrup to go to church, please? Because I'm doing homework right now.
Are
Are you really working?
Yeah, man, I'm ready to get in the bread, know what I'm saying?
All right, boy. All right, yeah.
He's spending my money.
Yeah, you know why? Just while you're, what do I say? Failure teaches us caught. The early bird, the early bird. The one thing that he says. Worry about the early.
I don't know. Alright, my arm is getting tired because I'm holding my camera.
Okay. See you later.
Alright, bye.
Damn, you didn't even tell.
Why?
Hey, so this is my first time trying these Starbucks egg whites because Chef Zay here says they're good.
do you mean,
So I'm gonna be trying them out. This is also my first time trying out the caramel macchiato.
Hey, me too. You guys gotta try new things, you know?
Right?
All types of flavors, know what I'm
Preach
saying?
it. You know what? It's really strong coffee with like a hint of caramel. It's so good.
Wow. Wow.
I really like it.
Hola, Sidora.
And it's like perfectly mixed, you know? Damn.
You stay on my mind.
Spicy chili pepper with cheese. It's an interesting egg white. So weird, but it's good. All right, so we're all pumped up with air now. Our bellies are full of caffeine and egg whites. So mine's full of egg whites and some caffeine from that macchiato we just got. But I think we're ready to roll. We're gonna pull up on all these people at the car meet and we're gonna see what's good. All right, so we met up with a couple people in the parking lot at Krispy Kreme's, and now we got a Ford GT behind us, and then in front of us we got a Dodge Hellcat or like a 3.
No, it's not. What is it? It's just a Charger.
We got a Dodge Charger or like a 3.
No, it's not. What is it? It's just a Charger.
We got a Dodge Charger over there, and then we got a another Mustang GT, all modded cars, a couple Jeeps with us, and then another Audi, which is our fellow German car. But it's you know us German cars, it's just air, because it's the turbocharger that counts, not the big engine.
Bitch, I did it all, and she going for it all. I don't ask her what she wanna do, I know she with it all. Bitch, I feel
There's a dip. That's risky. Oh, okay. Yeah, that guy's. Oh shoot. So we got the Dodge in the lead.
That was risky.
The GT.
Someone could have came down the hill.
And then us. What's up? Yeah, do it for my video. Oh, what?
And you're
Hey, we're at the meet. It's Evan here.
What's up?
What's good? It's McKinley
Oh, yeah.
here, and then everything, bro. Everybody else. Look at that Mustang.
I'm at 50.
Can't even see your drone.
6 minutes.
Alright, so go this way, Yeah. Do it slowly though.
But like record?
Oh, you're not recording the whole time?
No.
Bruh.
Load up.
You already got my ass, so I need the burnout.
Okay, save your tires. Save your tires.
Yeah, I do need to save my tires.
Fuck, bro. About your car for the vlog.
500 horsepower.
500?
It's a bad muscle car.
Hella, bro. And what's that say?
Bro. Look at right here. Got 500 bald eagles.
Hella. Car, bro.
Got the 435, bro, with the LED.
Let's get it. Yo, Zabaz, tell me about your car, homie.
What's up?
Tell me about your car.
I'm scared of the camera.
How many horses, bro?
I'm scared of the camera.
How
man.
many horses? You don't like my iPhone camera?
No, it's intimidating.
It's intimidating. Diego, bro, what do you like about your car? Tell me something about it.
It's fun to drive. It has air conditioning in the seats. The stereo system's pretty good.
How much horses?
What?
How many horses does it have?
450, bro.
450.
Yes.
What kind of Lexus is it again?
It's an ES350, I think.
ES350.
Yeah.
Bro, it's bomb.
Thank you, brother.
Howdy, bro. I should turn that down. I'll make it copyrighted.
Okay, so we got the platinum leather steering right here with the silver lining Audi symbols. It's pretty sick. We got your cruise control your blinkers. We got your windshield wipers. We got this backup camera. That thing actually goes in. Okay.
Oh, it's sick. I saw it move up.
Yeah. And then we got these jet turbine AC things.
Let's go, bro.
Yeah.
Awesome. A little rev for the one time. Let's go. Sounds nice. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. About like 8 cars around here. What do you think? 8 cars. So what were you saying about breathing? It's hot out here. You're wearing a jacket.
Bro, you just gotta empty your body and like, that's it.
Okay, I'm gonna try it out.
You gotta really, dude, I look like a toe.
You look like a toe. I look like a toe, bro. The wind got us pretty good.
Yeah, I know.
I know. Who came in first? The Charger or the Challenger or the Mustang? Do you remember? I think it was the Mustang that came in first because it was able to take the turns a lot quicker than the Challenger. I keep calling it a Charger, but the Charger's the 4-door sedan. You know what I
You
mean?
look like a toe, bro.
I look like a toe too. Got the Challenger, Ford Mustang GT, another Ford Mustang GT, Ford Focus, an Audi and a Lexus, and Zay's Beamer here. They want to take pictures over here? Alright, can you do a burnout in the dirt? Dude, you got everybody's cursing too much, bro. I'm gonna have to block out all the cursing with quacks. These trust fund babies right here, bro. We're all about to hop on the Jeep. Alright, so we got the Mustang GT, the Challenger. Hey, what's good? They're all gonna race. They're both gonna race, huh? Alright, we're gonna be right behind them.
Everyone's dipping, huh?
Yeah, they love. Oh, they're going to the gas station?
We're dipping.
Alright. Hey, we're gonna go to church, so like,
We're dipping.
yeah, we gotta dip.
What church?
Rock Church. 12 o'clock. But yeah, we're just gonna dip.
11:07. He's lying to you.
Alright, so we're done with the car meet. We just raced we were behind them, but still we got with the GT and the Challenger. Look at my hair, dude. All that wind messed us up. Anyways, we're gonna conclude the car meet. But right now we at the mall, bro. What we doing at the mall right now?
We're gonna spend money.
We finna spend some money. So yeah, that crazy green Mustang, it was older, like 2001 maybe. But that thing, man, we were doing we were in a passing lane, right? And he just went in between like 2 cars. It was crazy. It was only like it was like a 2-way. Like one coming, one going.
Power on.
And he went right in between that shit. That's some Need for Speed things right there. Cow, it's getting so hot that this guy left his ass sweat on his seat, bro. Come on, Zaybaz. We gonna be dipping.
Yep.
Maybe another car meet with just Euro cars. Oh, my finger got in the way. Yeah, I mean, boof. Hey, what does boof mean?
Like black, bro.
Yeah, boof. Like our hair right now is boof. Like this hair is boof because of the wind. Like that. Boof.
She's been up since 4. What the fuck? Why?
Damn, bro, being up since 4. I mean, I wake up at 5 to go to the gym. All right, so we're just about wrapping it up right now, and it was a pretty good time. Yeah, we all look like hobos now because the wind hit us in the face, and like we were doing pretty good. You know, if we ever do off-road racing, I'm gonna be taking out the Taco Man. You know what I mean? Look at this beautiful scenery. It's so hot today, but it's a beautiful day. I'm gonna hit the beach. I don't know about you guys, but like, it's good. It's good. It's good.